Our internship program's been going on for 7 years. Listen in as we take you from the early roots to what we have now. So, Dr. Zach Baker, Chief Clinical Officer here at Rehab to Perform. We're a fitness-focused physical therapy company that has been fortunate enough to be in the Frederick community for 8 years now. So we've had an internship program basically as long as we've been a company. We started about 7 years ago, and we have different layers to the internship program. We have a high school internship program, which is largely funneled through the local Frederick County public school system. It's an opportunity for kids who are interested in the health and fitness environment to come out, get an idea what a day in the life of a physical therapist looks like, and really helps them learn at an early age if it's a route that they want to pursue going into undergrad. We also have another route that's geared more towards undergraduate. So for individuals who are actively pursuing PT school and they need to get a certain number of hours for application. And then the highest level of our internship is our clinical rotations that we do with DPT students. So physical therapists who are finishing up their doctorate degree, and they spend anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks with us satisfying their orthopedic and sports medicine clinical rotation. I think with the younger group of individuals that we get introduced to different local youth organizations, whether it's club sports or different volunteer committees within the area. And then on the other end of the spectrum with our older interns, it's really been a way for us to filter in and out people that we think may be a good fit for us in the long term when they're done with PT school and are looking for employment. A lot of our current staff has actually come through our internship program. I'd say roughly a third of the people we have on staff had some sort of touch point with us, either as a high school, undergraduate, or graduate student here at Rehab to Perform. So I think one thing is we try to be very intentional with who we are as a company, what we offer, and then ultimately broadcast that out to the community. So we make an effort to get in front of as many people as we can and really provide some sort of genuine and authentic relationship. And I think it's a two-way street, and we get tremendous people in here with the internship program, and they provide a lot of benefit to us with our day-to-day operations because they know that on the back end we have a good educational platform in place, and that we're also going to be somebody that even when the internship ends, ideally we've established a relationship and a friendship with them that's going to be long-lasting. So I think the biggest thing that the internship does is it allows us to audit ourselves and make sure that we're doing things in a manner that when we bring outsiders in, it makes sense, and that we're not just getting stuck within our own ways of doing things. So it forces us to really frame up what our training processes are, what our onboarding processes are in a very low-risk environment. So you get this low-risk environment of the internship standpoint where you can trial different things, see what works, what areas you have for improvement, and you're getting interns at a much higher volume than what you're getting employees. So you get to tweak and modify things as you go with the internship program that often funnels into a lot of the other operational stuff that we'll do with our employees and with our staff in general. And then having those interns into our system, it really allows us to almost do like a long-term job interview with them, where it allows us to have a good idea of who they are personally and professionally, and if that's somebody that we think is going to be a good culture fit from us after the internship.